Welcome to Smart with Points, the podcast where we dive into the world of travelling with miles and points. I'm your host, Jack, and I'm excited to share some fantastic news with you today. British Airways has elevated the lounge experience at London Gatwick with a manned bar, and we've got all the details. Thanks to Jane Gunnell, who kindly allowed us to share her photos, we can bring you this exciting update. The British Airways Business Lounge at Gatwick now features a fully staffed bar, which is a welcome addition that brings the lounge more in line with its Heathrow counterparts. The bar area looks beautifully designed with a backlit display and festive garlands, creating an inviting atmosphere that feels more premium than the previous self-service arrangement. The drink selection appears comprehensive, with a good range of spirits, wines and beers on display. Their special seasonal menu includes a Christmas Bellini, a festive twist on the classic combining cranberry juice, orange juice and Prosecco, garnished with rosemary. The regular cocktail menu is equally impressive, featuring classics like the Aperol Spritz and some interesting variations, like the Negroni Spagliato. For those who prefer non-alcoholic options, they've included thoughtful choices like the Limoncino Spritz 0.0. This addition to Gatwick feels like a strategic move to enhance the ground experience. For those who regularly fly from Gatwick, particularly on those early morning Club Europe flights, having a proper bartender who can whip up a pre-flight coffee or something stronger is a genuine improvement to the lounge experience. For status holders and Club Europe passengers, this upgrade adds genuine value to the ground experience. If you're planning to visit and want to check the lounge's opening hours and full amenities, you can find all the details on our airport lounge list. Have you visited the new bar setup at Gatwick? We'd love to hear about your experience. Before we go, a big thank you to Jane for sharing her photos with us. And don't forget, if you're looking to top up your Avios balance, our balance booster calculator can help you find the best price by comparing all current offers from BA, Qatar and Finnair. Find the cheapest Avios and make the most of your miles. Thanks for listening to this episode of Smart with Points. If you want to stay up to date with the latest news and tips on travelling with miles and points, be sure to subscribe to our podcast on all major platforms or visit our website at smartwithpoints.co.uk. Safe travels, and we'll catch you on the next episode.